Have you ever wondered how your messages stay safe from prying eyes? In today's digital world, encryption is the unsung hero that keeps our personal information secure. Let's dive into the fascinating realm of encryption algorithms and understand why they matter more than ever. Encryption transforms your data into a secret code that only authorized parties can read. It's a critical component of modern cybersecurity, enabling secure communication, protecting sensitive information, and providing privacy in our digital lives. There are two primary types of encryption: symmetric and asymmetric. Symmetric encryption uses a single key for both encryption and decryption, while asymmetric employs a pair of keys, a public key and a private key. This distinction is crucial for understanding how data is secured across networks. Now, let's shift gears and talk about TLS, or Transport Layer Security. Ever wondered how your online banking transactions stay protected? TLS is the protocol that encrypts your data during transmission, acting as a security blanket for your sensitive information. Did you know that TLS is an evolution of SSL, Secure Sockets Layer? While SSL is now considered obsolete due to security vulnerabilities, TLS provides a more secure framework and is commonly used in websites, emails, and instant messaging services. In fact, without TLS, your data could be intercepted by hackers with ease. So the next time you see that little padlock in your browser, remember the powerful encryption at work behind the scenes. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the tech world. Your support helps us continue creating amazing content. Now, let's explore the concept of end-to-end encryption. This means that only the communicating users can read the messages. Even the service provider cannot access the content of the communication. It's like having a personal vault for your private conversations. Popular messaging platforms like WhatsApp and Signal utilize end-to-end encryption to ensure that your messages are secure. This is especially important in today's world, where privacy breaches are rampant and data is constantly being targeted. But what about the future of encryption? Have you heard of homomorphic encryption? This groundbreaking technology allows computations to be carried out on encrypted data, enabling operations without ever exposing the underlying data itself. Amazing, right? Here's a mind-blowing fact. Homomorphic encryption could revolutionize industries by allowing secure data processing in cloud computing environments without ever exposing sensitive information to the cloud provider. Imagine the possibilities. As we wrap up, we've journeyed through the essentials of encryption algorithms, TLS, end-to-end encryption, and the revolutionary homomorphic encryption. Each of these plays a vital role in securing our digital lives, ensuring our information stays private and protected. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video, where we'll dive deeper into the future of cybersecurity trends and what you need to know to stay safe online. Thanks for watching.